Buy used phones from individuals? Planning to expand your business and increase the volume of purchased devices, but face high staff turnover and spend a lot of time learning all the pitfalls and required procedures? Can't provide a high-level service to your customers and they leave dissatisfied because of this? Another problem is offering a fair price. How to evaluate the device objectively, taking into account all sorts of nuances, and how to make sure that the final price satisfies both the customers and you. We know the answers to all these questions. NSYS Buyback. It is a system that automates the buying process from A to Z. Buy at fair prices, calculated automatically thanks to the most flexible and customizable app. The modular system allows you to define the parameters that are important personally to you for each device separately. Assess price based on functional and cosmetic conditions with the help of NSYS Diagnostics plus NSYS Auto Grading integration. Customize the parameters to get the most accurate final price of the device. Devices purchased from customers are subject to data deletion. The integrated NSYS Data Erasure solution deletes personal data in accordance with international standards. Buy more using different buying channels. Started buying at a store? Integrate a buyback service into your website. And don't forget to launch your own app to let your customers profitably sell you their device without leaving home. The reporting system allows you to keep everything under control without losing sight of anything. All device characteristics are securely stored. All these points are to help you scale your business, buy more devices at competitive prices, and increase the loyalty and return of your customers. Leave a request for NSYS Buyback right now, and our experts will help you choose the best personal solution. The customer support service will do the initial setup of NSYS Buyback for you based on the needs of your business.